From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of boring showers? Can you imagine having an epic soundtrack to get you pumped up for the day with the Soundcore Select 4 Go Bluetooth shower speaker? The party never stops. This thing is a total game changer. It's waterproof, portable, and wireless, giving you the freedom to take your music anywhere, whether you're hiking through the mountains, lounging by the pool, or just need some tunes to get you moving in the morning. With up to 20 hours of playback on a single charge, you can enjoy non-stop music all day long. The lightweight design and included strap make it easy to carry anywhere. It's perfect for outdoor adventures, and the sound is incredibly rich and clear. You'll feel like you're right there in the music. This speaker is super popular among customers who rave about its performance and durability. And for good reason. The sound quality is amazing, with deep bass and crystal clear highs. You'll feel the beat pulsing through your body, and with its ultra-portable design, you can take it with you wherever you go. The Sleep Stories feature is also a total winner, with a curated selection of premium stories to help you relax and unwind. The soft sound of the stories will calm your mind and transport you to another world, and the speaker's rugged design can withstand even the toughest outdoor conditions, so you can take it on all your adventures without worrying about it getting damaged. Whether you're a music lover, an outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who loves to relax, the Soundcore Select 4 Go Bluetooth shower speaker is the perfect choice. It's an amazing little speaker that will take your music experience to the next level. So why wait? Get your hands on one today and start enjoying the ultimate in portable sound. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.